In this episode of Encap TV, I'm going to talk to you about Encap favorites. Some of our favorite products, in fact, they're everybody's favorites. Stay tuned. So let's talk about some of the favorite products that we have here at Release It. Starting off with Encap-Clean DS2. Now this product's been around for a long time. This is actually our first product. It was called Encap-Clean, mixed 8 ounces per gallon. Then we figured out how we could double strength that product, getting it to 4 ounces per gallon. So it became Encap-Clean DS. Later on we modified the formula even further, giving it the Encap-Clean DS2 label. So Encap-Clean's been around for right from the beginning of our product line. This latest version that we have here, Encap-Clean DS2, has really proven to be a super popular product. And why is that? It's because it's so cost effective to work with, and it cleans extremely well and leaves the carpet in a soil resistant condition. Mixes at 4 ounces per gallon, so it's extremely concentrated, and you could even back it off and use it a little less than 4 ounces per gallon, but at 4 ounces per gallon, this is going to get you through any kind of soil load. 32 to 1, that's what 4 ounces per gallon is. So in other words, if we took 1 gallon of Encap-Clean DS2, we could mix it with 32 gallons of water. In other words, this is going to give us 33 gallons of usable product. And we're going to clean at a rate of around 300 square feet per gallon of RTU, ready-to-use product. So 33 times 300, that gives us 9,900 square feet of carpet with a single gallon of Encap-Clean DS2, roughly 10,000 square feet of carpet with 1 gallon of product. It's just remarkable what it can do. And what really stands out is the way that it just transforms dingy, dirty, filthy, oily carpet. It loves oil. The polymer that we have in here actually captures oil, holds that oily soil in suspension. And keep in mind, what we're cleaning with encapsulation, if over 80% of the soil and carpet we know is dry soil, we're only going after the smaller component, the 20%, the smaller number. So it's very practical with encapsulation to get a hold of that sticky soil, hold it in suspension so that it can later be vacuumed out during the normal routine of post-vacuuming. Encap-Clean DS2, if you haven't tried it, give it a shot. You are going to love it. Very popular. Moving on, Encap Hydrox. Now, we sell more Encap-Clean DS2 than anything in our line, but our number 2 product is actually Encap Hydrox. Encap Hydrox shares some similarity in the way that it performs, but it's built on a different polymer package. This product, in fact, all of our products are loaded with polymer. That polymer is really the vehicle that grabs the soil, holds it in suspension, and gets it out of the carpet. But with Encap Hydrox, we actually had to use a different type of polymer. The reason we did that is that there's so much hydrogen peroxide in this product. It's very, very high level of hydrogen peroxide. We could not use this polymer in Encap Hydrox. This hydrogen peroxide formula would blow that polymer package to bits. So we have a modified polymer in Encap Hydrox. It's also very acidic. In concentrate, it's like 3.5. Think about that. 3.5 pH, and working with hydrogen peroxide, that's going to take care of any kind of organic or browning or water stain, coffee stains, you name it. Problems with wicking, Encap Hydrox is going to really amaze you. The other thing that's nice about this is because of its hydrogen peroxide component, it's going to really brighten, especially lighter colors. Just rock those light colors. We've got people that like to use it on residential carpet cleaning, using it with cylindrical brush machines, or with orbital machines, bonnet cleaning. Encap Hydrox has really taken off on the residential side. But between these 2 products for straight Encap, whether you're just doing pretty much your everything type of work, Encap-Clean DS2 or Encap Hydrox, for when you specifically want to focus on organic, browning, water stains, anything like that, Encap Hydrox is really going to do just a terrific job for you. Now, Encap Punch, also a very popular product. Again, one of our favorites. Think pre-spray. Everything that it takes to make a good traffic lane pre-spray is what you have here. But then what we did is we balanced it again with that polymer on the other side of the equation. So everything that makes it work as a pre-spray is balanced with the polymer on the other side. What we have here then is a low foaming encapsulating pre-spray. Now you can quickly see the benefit to that because there's nothing there on the pre-spray solvent detergent side that's not balanced with the polymer. so it's not going to leave a residue that can attract soil. You could actually apply this pre-spray to the carpet and not even rinse it, and it won't attract soil. You can't do that with a typical pre-spray. A typical pre-spray would grab soil like a magnet, but because this is a true crystallizing encapsulation product, it's going to release soil. It's going to actually come out during post-vacuuming. So there's so many ways that you can use this in a hot water extraction application, or using it, for example, in front of Encap-Clean DS2. If you had a really messed up carpet, you could pre-spray with Encap Punch and then follow up with Encap-Clean DS2. This is going to penetrate the soil and make it that much faster and easier to hit those really nasty traffic lanes with your Encap-Clean DS2. And the cool thing is that it's completely compatible. You're not going to mess up the polymer using Encap Punch. Now, if you took a traditional pre-spray and you put it up against the polymer, you would definitely alter the performance of the polymer of Encap-Clean DS2. But with Encap Punch, it's completely compatible with our line, can be used for hot water extraction, and it also works very well for bonnet cleaning or using like an orbital machine, like say the Vibe or a Tops machine. So those three are super popular. Another favorite that we have is Encap Spot. Multi-purpose spotter, and because it's built on genuine encapsulation properties, it's not going to require rinsing, because this product dries down like our other products. It's a true encapsulation product. It has our polymer-based technology right there in the product. But the great thing about Encap Spot is that it goes after a broad range of spots. It takes them all out. It does not require rinsing. It's really something that you might want to just throw in the truck, take with you for general spot cleaning purposes. It's also handy, for example, because since it doesn't need rinsing, if you're doing spot cleaning in a building, you don't even need to bring a machine in. You don't need to bring in an extractor. You could just bring in your Encap Spot and do your spotting. And also, if by chance you had a really nasty, weird spot that Encap Spot wouldn't get, if you used a specialty spotter like from CTI, you could blot up that specialty spotter first and then go behind it with Encap Spot and get rid of the specialty spotter, again, not requiring an extractor. So just a really terrific, wide range, multi-purpose encapsulation spot cleaner. So there you have it, some favorites in the Release It line that everybody loves: Encap-Clean DS2, Encap Hydrox, Encap Punch, Encap Spot. We've got other products too, but I just wanted to kind of hit the high points of some of the favorites in the line. I'll put links to these products in the description below so that you can check them out, and hopefully you'll find that they'll really help you in your business. Ultimately, our goal here is to help you max your Encap. That's what it's all about here at Excellent Supply. Thank you so much for watching. If there's anything we can do to help you with your business, just reach out to us. And please also hit the like, subscribe, comment below. We appreciate it when you do that too. Have a great day.